income tax sits just above 5%, but some state senators want to try and eliminate it entirely. They met this week to lay out how a 0% plan could work, and our Alexa Liacco spoke with lawmakers about how this would all come together, but we're also hearing, Alexa, from some community members who are concerned.
Jobina, exactly right. We talked to, some business owners, some families. They say, of course, lowering taxes sounds like a great idea in theory, but they are worried about what lowering an income tax would mean for other taxes like sales and property taxes and potential cuts to public education.
How we doing, Miss Ann? How are you, Miss Grace?
For the past 28 years, Long Street Cafe in Gainesville has been a community gathering spot.
That's the most important is the community. The community supporting the community, and they support us.
For owner Justin Bunch,
doing good. How are you?
That means making meals here affordable, especially because he and his customers are feeling the economic pinch.
You just keep squeezing the dollar and there's no more left.
It's one of the reasons he's learning more about the state Senate's effort to eliminate Georgia's state income tax to see if it would help his business.
Off the bat, just hearing it, I'm all for lowering taxes, keeping more money that we work hard for in our own pocket.
Just you two today?
He says it could help him hire more staff, but wonders how the state would make up the more than $16 billion in annual revenue that comes mostly from paycheck deductions.
It's going to be a shortfall somewhere. So we have to know where is it coming, the shortfall going to come from.
Georgia's got to do this for competitiveness purposes.
State Senator Blake Tillery is the chairman of the committee examining how this would work. He says it doesn't need to come from sales tax. The state does not control property taxes, so that wouldn't be implicated either. Tillery says millions can come from cutting corporate tax breaks, which are often designed to encourage investment or create jobs.
I've told folks before, $16.2 billion on the personal income tax, $30 billion that we bring in corporate welfare and corporate subsidies. Why would we not try to help everybody else in Georgia reduce those corporate subsidies and corporate welfare by just half?
Tillery says this could ensure funding remains stable for what the state income tax pays for, including government services and health care.
If we get these $30 billion worth of credits under control, then we can reduce the income tax for everybody at the state capitol who didn't have a lobbyist.
At the restaurant, we talked to customers who agree families need a financial break.
I'm too old to worry about anything like that, but I think everything will be good for the younger people, and it should be done right away.
How are y'all?
Bunch says for his community, every dollar counts, and if lawmakers keep families in mind, he's hopeful this effort could bring much-needed relief. And Senator Tillery says this effort is gaining momentum because there's never been an effort like it focusing on eliminating corporate tax breaks. So not touching property taxes, not touching sales tax. And Jobina, we could see this become a proposal and even potential legislation as soon as the end of this year. He says he wants to introduce it next session. So that's January.
January is very soon.
Very soon, and could be a big impact for families. That's 5% going back in people's pockets potentially.
Wow. All right. Thank you so much for your report. We want to move on now to the alliance between Congresswoman Marjorie Taylor Greene and President Trump, because clearly it has broken down. But are party leaders in her district fragmented, splitting from Trump? Our Brian